Imagine looking up at the night sky and finding a patch of pure nothingness. No twinkling stars, no glowing galaxies, just emptiness. A hole in the universe so large it could swallow thousands of galaxies whole, and still have room to spare. This isn't science fiction. It's real, and astronomers call it the Bootes Void, the loneliest place in the cosmos. First discovered in 1981 by astronomer Robert Kirshner and his team, the Bootes Void is a massive spherical region in the constellation of Bootes, about 700 million light-years from Earth. It's roughly 330 million light-years across. To put that into perspective, if our Milky Way galaxy was a single grain of sand, the Bootes Void would be the size of Earth itself. In a typical region of space this size, you'd expect to see around 10,000 galaxies. In the Bootes Void, we've found just a few dozen. That's like finding an empty city the size of North America with only a handful of houses. So why is it there? In the large-scale structure of the universe, matter isn't evenly spread. Galaxies form along filaments, vast cosmic threads of stars, gas, and dark matter. While in between, there are huge gaps called voids. These voids are common, but the Bootes Void isn't. It's too big, too empty, and too strange. One theory suggests that over billions of years, galaxies simply drifted away from this region, pulled by gravity toward denser clusters. Another idea is that this was always a low-density area after the Big Bang, like a bubble in rising bread dough. But then there's the wilder possibility that something removed the galaxies. Some scientists, and more than a few science fiction writers, have wondered about darker possibilities. Could the Bootes Void be the result of an ancient cosmic event? A collision with another universe? Or, more unsettling, could it be evidence of something powerful enough to clear a patch of the cosmos of almost everything? A few fringe researchers even imagine it as the footprint of an advanced alien civilization, a Type 3 civilization on the Kardashev scale, capable of dismantling entire galaxies for energy. Of course, there's no evidence for that. But when you look into that abyss, it's hard not to imagine. You might think it's pointless to study nothing, but studying voids actually tells us a lot about the universe. They help astronomers measure dark energy, the mysterious force causing the universe's expansion to accelerate. The size and distribution of voids could hold clues to the ultimate fate of the cosmos. And there's another strange twist. The few galaxies that do exist inside the Bootes Void are unusually large and isolated, like cosmic hermits surviving in the deep silence of space. The Bootes Void is a reminder that most of our universe isn't stars and planets. It's vast, silent nothingness. If you could somehow travel there, the nearest galaxy might be hundreds of millions of light-years away. The night sky would be almost pitch black. No constellations, no Milky Way, just you, floating in the abyss. And yet, this emptiness isn't truly lifeless. Even here, space is filled with dark matter, faint radiation, and the ghostly whisper of ancient light from the Big Bang. The Bootes Void might seem like a cold, empty scar on the universe, but maybe it's a window into something deeper, a reminder that the cosmos is bigger, stranger, and more unpredictable than we can imagine. And who knows, maybe one day, when our technology has caught up, we'll send a probe into that darkness. And maybe, just maybe, it won't come back alone. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, make sure to subscribe, because out there, the darkness is full of stories. And we're just getting started.